as it's Indian based and we need to support an Indian. Hey guys, welcome. It's Aditi Sharma. So this video is going to all about TikTok versus YouTube. No, not at all. As you already know that Shein and Club Factory is banned in India. I think most of the girls used to buy from this brand Shein and Club Factory, and we were so dependent on that. Of course, because वहाँ पे we get the quality as well as trendy outfit in very affordable price. So yes, that affected most of the girls because of course that was a good deal for us. But now, keeping in mind that Shein and Club Factory is banned, now what? But I think the things which happen for a good thing. So here I bought a 5 brands which you can replace with Shein and Club Factory. It's quite similar to Shein and Club Factory, but it's not like that. So it's quite similar. I think you can get a good deal there also. So why not try this? So yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first app which I would like to share with you all is streetstylestore.com. Sorry, it's not an app, it's a website. This website I found recently when I was scrolling down the Instagram feed and I found the ad of streetstylestore.com, and trust me, when I've seen their website I really liked their collection. It was just an amazing. So their collection gives me sort of Instagram bloggers vibe. They have an amazing collection related to that, and that too so trending and affordable. So yes, if you love this type of outfit, you can definitely check out their website. So I will make sure to give you link in the description box, so don't forget to check this out. So the second app would be Ajio. This belongs to a Reliance company. They have an amazing collection for kids wear, women, men, so you can definitely check out there. And also they have quite affordable price, but I personally like their collections of ethnic wear. I really love their collections in ethnic wear, so yes, you can definitely check out that. And also one thing I like about this app is they have an amazing brands like Trends, Marks and Spencer, Pantaloon, American Eagle. You can get so many of brands in that platform, in that app. So yes, it's a good point. And also one thing that disappoints me about that app is they do not have any review section. I personally feel this really helps customer to decide whether they want to buy that outfit or not. I think that's a demerit of that app, but other than that is everything good. They have good return policy as well as exchange policy. So yes, you can definitely check out this one. Third app is Urbanic. This app is London based and I think they have launched their app in India last year. So yes, if you want to go through their app, just download it, and I will make sure that I would give a link in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yes, coming back to the app Urbanic, it's really very good. They also have an amazing collection of floral and summer outfit. Their interface give me a vibe of summer outfit as well as floral. If you love this type of outfit, so yes, you can check that out. They also have a good policy of return, and yes, they have also review sections, so don't forget to check that out. If you buy any outfit, it would be helpful for you. I personally like the jumpsuit, especially this one. I just love this one. So yes, you can definitely check this app too. I think many of you know this already, but if you don't, I would like to share with you all before buying anything from online. First, read the review section, and the second most important thing is search for coupon codes in that website. If you do not get there, then search in the Google or YouTube, because discount kisko nahi pasand. So yes, if you do not know this, this would be helpful for you. And also one thing I want to request with you all, I think all this app gives you discount, but one thing is free that you do not do Any guesses? Huh? That is to like, share and subscribe. Please do if you like this video. Fourth app which I would like to share with you all is Lulu and Sky. I think most of you know already about this, and I also like that app, and their quality is sort of clean and price is also quite affordable. So yes, if you want to buy, you can definitely check out. I will make sure that to link description box में. थक गई मैं. Fifth app I would like to share with you all is Coos apps. It's also an Indian brand, I think so. They have an amazing collection for both girls and guys, and that too in very affordable price. So yes, you need to check that app once. I think they have an amazing collection for both. The guys have their t-shirt around the range of 200, 400. Of course it increased. And also they have an amazing brands like Nike, Adidas. So yes, you can definitely check this Coos app. So yes, this is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found helpful in some ways. And also if you love this video and like and useful, then don't forget to share with your friend and also subscribe. Till then, bye guys.